Our surfaces are completely different to sort of wet surfaces in around the world. So it would be nice to have a really wet rally, sort of the whole rally being wet. That would be the only slight advantage we have. Other than that, it's nice to be racing the safari at Easter again. It's what we used to do.
We are just prepping ourselves, doing a bit of fitness here and there, and trying to make ourselves physically and mentally prepared for the rally, because it's not easy. It's not as easy. The stages there are very hard and tough on us, so we have to build ourselves in readiness for the rally.